Meaning of leap.
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 Leap. The word leap has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a verb, leap typically means to jump or spring upward or forward with force, often using one's legs. For example, a person might leap over a puddle or leap onto a stage. As a noun, leap can refer to the act of leaping or jumping, or it can refer to a large jump or bound made by a person or animal. It can also refer to a sudden or abrupt change or shift, as in the phrase a leap of faith when someone takes a risk without knowing the outcome. In some contexts, leap can also have a more figurative meaning, such as in the phrase leap in logic, which refers to a sudden or unwarranted assumption or conclusion.